guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. I get things done. That's what I do. Everybody operates differently and you get the right to, right? This is your business. You don't have to go as fast as I do, but it's very rare that I'm just sitting on something. I've had several, for example, let me get Deanna's question and then I'm gonna come back to, I'm gonna give you an example. Your girl don't play, I execute. You can execute too. I'm no different. A lot of people we're not taught that in school. Most of our parents are not entrepreneurs. We didn't grow up like that, right? We did not. It's just facts. Now, I grew up in a home where my dad had a full-time job, but because of the situation, he worked at Ford Motor, they would get laid off a lot. So he had to become an entrepreneur. He had babies to feed. We wanted to eat. But Deanna says, and I'm going to tell you about this, how fast I execute. Deanna says, what supplies are essential to get started with notary signings? So for notary signings, Deanna, all the basic things you need for a notary, we already talked about that. Your journal, your ink pad, your ink stamp, your ink pens, clipboard, stuff like that, right? But in addition to that, when you want to become an actual notary signing agent, you have to have at least a single tray printer. You have to. And even now, guys, you have to almost have a printer to do inspections. So we were talking, I do pop-up live calls within our group. And Mr. Joseph was sharing with us that there's an inspection company before that was paying him maybe like $50 or so, $70, but now they're paying him a print fee. So instead of them mailing out the documents, because that's the initial way he was receiving it. And see, companies are getting slicker too. And it's not even being slick, it's business, okay? Let's remember, everything you do should be business, okay? So what the initial field inspection company he was working with, and I'm coming back to your question, so just listen and be patient for me, Deanna. The initial company he was working with, they would mail out the documents via FedEx or UPS. And I used to have the same different companies I work with. They would mail me the package to the home. I would take it to the location. But they're like, wait a minute, why pay UPS to deliver the package when I could email it to the notary, let them print it for me? I could pay the notary $10 where I got to pay UPS $25. You see the difference? And then multiply that times however many field inspectors they have. So that's what he said they were doing. So one of the questions on the application was, do you have a printer? So now a lot of companies are asking, do you have a printer? Now they don't ask you what kind, okay? But you do want to get a printer and a laser printer. I believe it's laser. I always forget the two. Nah, inkjet is the one that runs when it gets wet. So they want a laser printer. That's industry standard, okay? That's just facts. You can go buy something else if you want to, but you're going to turn right back around and buy a laser printer. Not to mention they're more efficient. So you do need at least a single tray to get started. Now, it may be hard for you to find a dual tray printer because that was a problem for a lot of notaries for years. They couldn't even find one if they wanted to. They could have $600-700 in their hands, but they couldn't even find one, okay? But if you can't find one, at least get you a single tray and a workaround, because some of your packages will have legal and letter, okay? You're going to have shorter paper and longer paper. And the workaround for that is something called page separator or page sorter. We're using Notary Rotary, okay? And Notary Rotary is free. It's free. You don't have to sign up for anything, but they have an app over there, or I guess it's called an app, whatever it's called, but they have a function where you can put your documents in there and it'll sort the pages out for you. So for example, pages 1 through 10 are letter. and then 10 through 40 are legal, it will separate it for you. So you do have to have at least a single tray, okay? I always recommend getting a few supplies from UPS and FedEx because you have to mail the packages back. Sometimes you go in a store, they don't have any, so I like to have my own. So I have my own in my car. I have some in my home office up here. What else do you need for loan signing agent? You need a print. Of course, you need print, ink, toner, all that kind of stuff for your printer. You don't have to get it immediately because it comes with it. You know, you need some paper, legal letter size paper. I use the Amazon. There is a full blown notary supply list at notaryeducators.com. It's completely free. So you can check that out, notaryeducators.com. And for most of you, you don't have to buy everything on there, but I want you to know what you need eventually, okay? I want to show you. Hey, Beauty is her name. What's up? What's up? Beautiful, back to ya. Hey, Sean, what's going on? Welcome, welcome. Happy Sunday, everybody. We got quite a few new people, so if you got any questions, feel free to drop it. I want to show you how quick I execute, though. So I have a journal, right? I have several of them. It's 15. It's a whole journal collection, so check it out at notaryeducators.com. But one of our sessions, shout out Mr. Eric, he was like, hey, can I get that journal in, it's 15 different ones. So I'm just showing you a few of them, okay? So that's one. We got this pink. Okay, we got 15 different ones. So you can check it out and see which one you like. Got the snow leopard. Okay. So anyway, during the session, Mr. Eric was like, oh, I love the journal. He was like, can I get that in hardback? I was like, or he asked me, does it come in hardback? That was the question. I said, no. I said, it doesn't come in hardback. After the session was over, I got to thinking, I wasn't even in town. I was out of town. I was doing some work somewhere else. And I said, wait a minute. I'm about to work on this right now. So I started working on it right that second. And what came out of it? Hardback. All 15 come in hardback. Now, I love the paperback, but the hardback is equally beautiful. Aren't they beautiful? So, yeah, I don't play. Slow money don't make no money. People don't open their mouth, don't make no money. We got to move, people. We got to move. You should not be sitting on your notary commission. Some of y'all been watching me for like 5 years. Thank you. I appreciate it. But you got to execute too. Get in the room and let's execute. You're welcome, Deanna. Get in the room and let's execute. What other questions do you all have while I'm sitting here? What else? What else do you have while I'm here? I'll hang out a few more minutes. About five more minutes. Hey guys, I see a lot of people just hopped on. Any questions? You can go back and watch it from the beginning, but if you actually have a burning question you want to know, let's do it now. In the meantime, I'm going to tell y'all really quick about the mentorship program. So you have two options to enter our mentorship program. You can join today. Start now. Don't wait. Quit waiting. Start now. $27 entry point or $47 entry point. The $27 entry point gives you access to our 5 major core courses that you need to start your business today. There's no need to wait. You can start right now. After you click join, you have access to the courses, right? Our first session this week, I don't know if it's on a Tuesday or a Wednesday. Anyway, the schedule is at notaryeducators.com too. You can see what we're talking about this week. You can go back and watch all the replays. I mean, you have access to everything. So you can start right now. There's no need to wait. It's not like, well, let me join today. I'll start next week. Nope. As soon as I end, you can start. All right. So you got a $27 option or the $47 option. $47 gets you the whole kit and caboodle. Okay. Everything. You can click the join me for the group me and let's go. Okay. So check it out at notaryeducators.com. Really quick, I'm just gonna share this personal thing. So I just washed my hair, guys, with what is it? Donna, what's that lady's name? Tabitha Brown. I washed my hair with her stuff. I love it. It feels so nice. My curls are popping. I could wash my hair with just about anything and the curls will pop, but it just feels so moisturized. You know, I've been chasing that for 20 years since I've been natural. And it actually feels really moist. That was just a side point. I don't work for her. I'm not selling her product. But I actually like it. It's the one with the sweet potato stuff. I was watching the Good Morning America the other day, and it was on there, so I went ahead and dived in and bought it. I don't usually make impulsive buys like that. Sometimes I do, but it's rare. I buy something from a TV show, and she was on there, and I said, I'm gonna try her stuff. And I said, just because I buy her hair product does not mean my hair gonna look like her hair, So anyway, we'll see what happens. Anyway, last chance for questions. We got 2 more minutes together. Anything else? Hey, Shauna, what's going on, Shauna? It does smell good, Deanna. I love it. Do you use it? How long have you been using it? And has it helped your hair? Now, it has a lot of oils in it. I don't typically put oils in my hair, but this weighed it down in a good way. I'm going to take when I get ready to go, because I'm getting ready to get out of here. When I get ready to go, I'm going to pick it up from the root to give it a little more volume. So that's why it's just kind of flat. But I'm going to pick it up. Shauna says, thank you for motivating me on today. Oh, you're so welcome. We got to help each other. That's what the whole mentorship program is about. If you think I motivated you, when you get in that chat, you see people, I got a signing today. I got a field inspection today. I'm doing my first apostille. Let's go. Oh, for about 6 months now. Is your hair growing? Can you see any difference in the texture? Or are you also implementing more water? Because I'm trying to do that too. Shauna says she's doing amazing. Great. I'm glad you're doing good. But yeah, guys, let's move though. Let's move. Let's not just sit here and be like, oh, that was a good sermon. Like, if you went to worship or something. That was so good. I done been out before. Somebody said, what was the sermon about today? What was the pastor talking about? What was the preacher talking about? And they said, I know it was good. I'm like, it sure was. They're like, what was it about? I don't know. Your guess is good as mine, but it was good. But that's why you need repetition too. It felt good when I was there. I learned something when I was there. Can't tell you what it was, but it don't matter because I'm going back next week. So guess what? Same thing with mentorship. You're going to learn something today. Come back next week, we talking about something else. Shauna says, can I join today for 27 and then bump up my membership as I can? Yes, you can. Yep, you can join today for 27, guys. And once you join, just start watching the courses. They're uploaded in order. There's a little welcome video. And the main thing is I want you to come to the live sessions. So we all meet together. If you're in the 27 or the 47, we one big family. Look, if you're watching live, we are one family. So we all meet together. Nobody knows if you're in the 27. Nobody knows if you're in the 47. We are just talking it up and getting what we need to get done. Okay? Getting what we need to get done. Let's see. Deanna says, well, I started using the bask and lather too. And I love how that makes my hair feel. And I see her hair growth and thickness with it. Oh, now I would love to have some thickness. I would love to have some thickness with my hair. So you see my curls, right? I got good curls. And again, I put so much gel in my hair. But when I get ready to go, see how straight that is? I just love how it lays. But when I get ready to go out, which shouldn't be that much longer, I'm going to, I told you I have 5 minutes, but I'll say 45 today. 4 more minutes, 3 more minutes. But when I get ready to go out, I'm going to take my pick. I got a little pick, and I'm going to pick it up and maybe give it just a little volume. Jeffrey needs a code that was sent to my phone. Oh. Jeffrey, you ready? 094566. Sorry, guys. This is live. And they're telling us we have a suspicious transaction on our card. So he needed to get that. Yeah, but I'm going to keep using it. I'm not really consistent, but I'm going to try. Shauna says, thanks. You're so welcome. Dog, they calling me now. Oh, guys, I'm going to have to let this go. I'm going to have to get the rest of your comments because they're calling me. They want to know if this is fraud. Bye, guys. I hate to go so abruptly, but it's my bank. Bye. Love you guys. Until next time.